Are you a HTML and CSS developer and often you confuse how to add icons in your HTML and CSS web page? Now, in this video, I'll give you the solution and it is free. You can use without any money. Okay. First of all, open your any browser and search for font awesome and CDN. Click enter and click the first link, and after that just copy this link. Okay, and after that just open your VS Code and open your project directly, and after that link, hit enter and paste the link here. Okay, after that open another page and search font awesome without cd and hit enter and click on here. After that click start for free, and after that click here. For example, I want to include insta icon. Instagram. Click enter. Already which icon you want, for example this or this. I use this icon, and here I click and copy the icon, and after that I click here enter and use p tag. With p tag I pasted this icon. Okay, now I just use live server. It takes some time. Now you see the icon here. You can include as much as you want. For example, I use Facebook face sorry face, and it already show me. I use this icon and copy the HTML. Again I use p tag. Within p tag I paste the link, and now see how it look like. You can see. Okay, so if you want to add another icon, you can do with the help of this. First you link this. Okay, and after that you can use with font awesome icon, which is free. So that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel, share with your friend, and bye bye.